This is the SeekBox 3 Pro, and it's the best way to cut the cable cord and save tons of money. Just hook it up and immediately you're streaming over 4,000 live TV channels in 4K Ultra HD. I was sent this to review, but it's absolutely amazing. A total game changer for my family, so let me show you a closer look. And then the rest is in here, your accessories and whatnot. 2-prong power cord, HDMI to HDMI cord, thin but large remote control. We'll take this off. Power mute, numbers, favorite delete, volume, channel, settings, voice command, controls, back, menu, quick buttons for Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, Prime Video, audio sub, mouse, info, play, pause, back, forward, stop. Last but not least, we've got the user's guide. It's not overwhelming. I love how simple this is. First, a remote needs 2 AAA batteries, not included. I'll show you all the ports before I set this up on my TV. You've got Type-C, LAN, HDMI, and remember it does come with the HDMI cord. That's what I'm gonna use. AV, over here, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and TF. It is so small and compact. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to plug in a power adapter and then connect it via HDMI to my TV, and then we'll start testing it out. It actually turned the TV on for me, and now it wants to pair. So it's telling us what to do there. It also tells you on the back of the remote, so it's super easy. You just do the return button and the microphone button at the same time for 3 to 5 seconds. And there we go. English. Next, network. Ooh, SeekBox. Blockbuster nights start here, all-in-one family entertainment. This is so exciting. That's it right there. All the cords are going behind here, hooked up to the TV and the wall. Small but mighty. Here we go. This is the first time I am using it. It has all these apps up here. You have to download each one that you're gonna wanna use. It was a little confusing at first. My son figured it out right away, of course, as they do. When you download and start using the Neo TV app, that's where you have like every station you could imagine. Even stuff like HBO, local news. It's just insane. Thousands of channels here. Oh, kids. Oh yeah, Cartoon Network. Let's see. We do not have cable. We don't even have local. Oh my gosh! This is insane. You can get any TV station for free once you just buy this. And then everything else is free. All of the cable channels, they're all on here. Even the paid ones like HBO. So you go to the channel and then you click that favorite button to favorite it, and then those will be in the favorite section. So then once you get all those figured out, you don't have to scroll through the thousands anymore. Let's check out Neo VOD. What do we think that is?
Oh, it has like all the
movies.
Oh
my god. What? This has, wow, this has really new stuff. 2026 in May. This is new. And it's working! Oh my gosh! Movies, TV.
Netflix.
Wait, is that Netflix? Disney Plus, HBO? So you can, if you have those accounts, you can download those apps and use them, but you can see all that stuff for free with SeekBox. Look at all these streaming services you no longer have to pay for. This is amazing. I have tried so many digital antennas and none of them work in our house for some reason. Just awful. But this works through the internet, so you don't have to worry about the direction of your antenna or anything like that. It's so amazing. I am so excited to have this.